Welcome to the Dynamic Learning Hub of XLR in Hyderabad, a pioneer in providing upskilling and professional courses for young aspirants as well as seasoned professionals. We are located in Cyber Towers, Madhapur, a 2-minute walk from High Tech City metro station. In our journey of over a decade, we have received the prestigious Deloitte Fast 50 Award, recognized by Silicon India as one of the India's leading edtech companies and have trained over 2 lakh learners. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms that are equipped with high-definition projectors, state of the art acoustics that ensures every student, even those at the farthest point in the classroom, enjoys a practical and effective learning experience. Our classrooms are hybrid and not purely offline. This means our sessions are also streamed online at the same time. In case you can't make it to the classroom for a day or two, you can attend the same session over the online mode, which ensures you can continue learning without breaks. Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Hyderabad branch. XLR, we don't just train, we build careers.